Hi everyone, my name is Hanna Muntz and I'm an undergraduate researcher with Central Michigan University in the Woolno Lab. Today I'll be speaking with you about our work with the federally endangered Apioblasma trichetra, also known commonly as the snuffbox. Lucky for us here in Mount Pleasant, Michigan, there's a location about an hour southwest of us in Lyons, Michigan, where there is one of the largest known populations of snuffbox in the entire state. We have been researching this particular mussel for several years, and we knew that propagation was possible due to prior research from Mandy Caldwell, but we finally took the dive this past year to do so. What makes this experiment stand out from other propagation efforts is our use of a local fish ladder for maturation, and that both the snuffbox and log perch collected were from the Grand River, which decreased the chance for disease. We essentially utilized standard efforts in a different atmosphere. As you can see from the title, this particular project was a large collaborative effort with Central Michigan University, the Michigan Department of Natural Resources, Consumers Energy, and with some input from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. We developed a mobile research trailer where our tank setup is shown here in Figure 1A, highlighted below, on the site of a Consumers Energy hydroelectric dam and fish ladder, which is shown in Figure 1B. We flushed Glaucidia out of 3 gravid females that had a 97% viability and allowed for the infestation of gills of 64 log perch in 5 separate treatments, and this is shown here in figures 2A and 2B. These log perch were then housed and monitored in individual tanks in the mobile trailer setup for 15 days and then transferred to 3 cages in the fish ladder where they were released after 5 weeks, and this is shown in figures 3A and 3B highlighted again. We expect to see juvenile snuffbox in the sediment in the cages later this year. This was all completed during the COVID-19 pandemic where strict precautions were followed to ensure a safe environment and procedures for everyone involved in this collaborative effort. Pending the success of this experiment and the counts of the juveniles later this year, we believe that fish ladder propagation will aid in future efforts for unionid propagation since they provide a controlled and protected environment. This methodology could be implemented for repopulation efforts of particularly imperiled species like snuffbox and help with their repopulation. The Department of Natural Resources made a very well-informed video regarding our combined efforts, so feel free to send me an email for the link to it. Thank you for your time, everyone, and feel free to ask any questions.